Good morning to each and everyone, and to all of watchers in YouTube. This is Torits Tech, and today we're going to open this indoor wireless and smart repeater. Came from CDR King, preferably, and I am sure that it came from China. So it is 2.4 gigahertz, 150 Mbps speed, and the maximum coverage of 100 meters. It can work on Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and also Mac. So you're going to see here the picture of our repeater. At the back part, you're going to see the specification. Then, that's all. So it is the box. So when we open this smart end repeater, you're going to see here the repeater itself, the charger, or it is the adapter, then the wireless repeater with this one. So you can see it's a dipole antenna, and you can also hear the installer. If you want to install the driver or the driver for this smart repeater, you can use this one. So it is the feature or the picture of the smart repeater. In here you can see here the LAN in the one port, the Wi-Fi, then the on. So actually this repeater doesn't have the on switch. When you plug it, it will automatically turn on. When you remove the plug, it will automatically turn off. So at the back part of this repeater, you're going to see here the 3 ports. We have the LAN 1 and LAN 2. Preferably we're going to put the LAN or the Ethernet cable from your computer into this port. Then the one, most especially if you're going to use this as a router. So you can also put the one here, or the internet cable. Okay, so this is the repeater. We're going to use it as a repeater, not anymore. So we're going just to plug the power cord or plug the power supply, then it will automatically turn on. Let's go to wait. So I already plugged the power supply. Then, oh, it's not the, where it is. So there it is. So by the way, you can follow me or just see my blog at www.toristech.com/blog. If you want to learn something about computer or technology, latest technology, you can read my blog. So we're going now to turn on our repeater. Okay, on. So it is lighting. We're just going to wait. Okay, so it is now working. Our repeater is now working. So you see here the power light is on and the Wi-Fi. So you can now connect your computer into this repeater. You can use the installer I've said, or you can just access the IP address of this one. So the IP address of this repeater is, we're just going to autofocus, 192.168.10.250, and the voltage input is 5 volt, then 0.5 amps. Preferably it is a 2.5 watts repeater. So it is now on. Sorry. We're now going to connect our cell phone. Will not use our phone. Okay, it is now connected. Then going to search for the IP address. 192.168.10.250. Okay, so it is now in the dashboard. So we're now going to press next. So as you can see here, we're now in the second part. We have the my other internet. You just click that one, then press next. Okay, set up security. In this part, when the router that you want to connect have the password, we're going to put the password here. But if it doesn't have any password, just click next. Okay, network ID. So in here, the name of your repeater, this part, then the password. So I choose not to put any password, then we're going to delete that one, then click next. Okay, so the page will reload in some seconds. So we're going to search our repeater again. The name of our repeater is SolidStack. So okay, it is now connected, but no internet. It's going to it. So okay, search for example SolidStack. Okay, then search. Okay, it is now working. Our repeater is not, or our repeater is now working. So thank you for watching. This is SolidStack. Have a good day. Bye bye.